Hello students, I will tell you some action words. You will do the action as I say. मी जो तुम्हाला इंग्रजीत शब्द सांगणार आहे त्याप्रमाणे तुम्ही कृती करायची आहे. आर यू रेडी?
Let's start. I can sit. I can stand. I can jump. I can walk. Very good. I can run. Run, run, run. Arohi. Run, run. Very good. I can eat. I can drink. I can sleep. I can sleep. पायल नीट करायचं. I can sleep. I can play. Play. Very good. शौर्या. छान. Very good. I can laugh. I can cry. I can read. I can write. I can sing. I can dance. I can swim. Swim म्हणजे काय ग? पोहणे. Very good. I can brush. I can bath. I can clap. I can clap. जोरात. ओके चला झकास क्लॅप करायचे.